Auntie.
Hi everyone!
Auntie.
Welcome to our channel!
Oops, be careful. What are you making, Lizzie Boo? Pancake. What is the color today for the pancake? What is it? You're right. Do you like it? You put it down, please. Put the pen down. We are waiting now. Right? Look. Okay, let mommy help. Let mommy help. Well done, darling. Well done, darling. Okay, put the spatula down. Okay. Be careful, it's super hot, darling, okay? Okay, walk carefully. Good girl. Well done. Don't forget Bismillah, yeah? You don't eat that, you don't like it. Is that yummy? It's even yummy because you know how to make it, isn't it? And you did it. It's fun, isn't it? It's fun, isn't it? Zibo, are you a puppy or are you a girl? Silly girl. Come on, eat your pancake. Finish it off. Bit by bit.
Thank you for watching!